Hello Robert, hello Carlos. Now the reverse osmosis water treatment is ready. You see, this is the cold center filter, the active carbon filter, and the reverse osmosis membrane system. And then we got two tanks there. This one is for storage the first stage pure water, and that one is for the second stage pure water. And for this machine, actually, you need to connect with the raw water tank, but you already have a raw water tank. So when you get this machine, you just connect here. You just connect the raw water pump here with your raw water tank. So, but now we just like this. This is our raw water tank. We just connect here. You see, to the raw water tank. So when you get this machine, connect the raw water pump with your raw water tank, okay? And for the electric power, here you just need to connect these three fire wires with your 220 voltage, okay? These three main power, and for the other wires, we will not disconnect it. You just connect these three fire wire, okay? And these two, you see here, we put this into the tank. This is the level sensor, okay? So when you get this machine, put this one at that side. It's a level sensor. Put that one into your raw water tank, and make sure the sensor is like 5 to 10 centimeter higher than the bottom. Okay, do not let the sensor touch the bottom. A little higher. Okay, like 5 to 10 centimeter. The level sensor will detect the raw water tank to check if they have enough water. And for the first stage and the second stage pure water tank, we already have the level sensor. Here we already install like this and install like this. But because the raw water tank you don't buy from us, so we only need to we only have to put like this one. This level sensor, you need to put the level sensor into the tank. And here, this three is for detect the level for raw water tank for first stage and the second stage water. And the number now 16 means the height, means the raw water tank. Now the height is about like 6 centimeter. Okay, and okay, this is the electric part. When you get this machine, connect the three fire wires and put the level sensor of the raw water tank into your raw water tank. Okay, and then for the pipes, because for shipping we will dismantle the pipe, and you need to connect according to the numbers we have marked. Like this, 22 connect with 22, and here, 62 connect with 62, and then 66 connect with 66, like that. All the connection we have do the marks. Okay. And here, they also have some electric wires you need to connect. Okay, this two is for the level sensor. This two is for the level sensor. This one and this one, and this 80 is for the pump and the UV sterilizer. Yep. So just connect the machine according to the number and connect the machine with your electric power and put the sensor into your raw water tank. Then you can use this machine. Okay, and here for this 2 filter container, we have already set the wash system. So you no need to manually to control how to wash it. We have set like 1 week the tank can clean itself. And the time, you see, you cannot see very clearly. Actually, we have set like every day at 12 o'clock, the machine will clean itself, these 2 tanks. So no need to manually to wash these 2 tanks. And then you all need to do is to turn on the button. Here, this is the manpower. Turn on the manpower, and then this one, the power indication, turn to the automatic mode, and then turn to the auto mode for the raw water tank, and first stage high pressure pump, and the second stage high pressure pump. Just turn on it to the auto mode, okay? To the auto mode. And this one, the standby indication, this one actually means for spare use, but now we have connect the pure water pump and the UV sterilizer to here. So when you turn on the auto mode, and when the second stage have enough water, the pump can pump the water into your your mixers. Okay, and here is the conductivity for raw water, for first stage, for second stage. Okay, now you check the number. The raw water conductivity is about like 540, and the first stage like 5.6. Second stage conductivity about like 1.4. But when we turn on the machine, the conductivity will a little lower. We have running the machine actually. Yeah, this is the machine. It's very easy. Now we will turn on the machine to check how it works. Okay, let's turn on the machine. How? Yes, just turn on the switch to the auto mode. Okay, now the pump is working. The raw water pump. Now the raw water pump and high pressure pump is working. And also you can see from here, the light on means now here is working. The raw water pump, the inlet valve, the high pressure pump, the outer membrane here. And you can check the conductivity is changing. And also you can check from here. You can check from here for this two is for pure water. This one is the first stage pure water. This one is the second stage pure water. You can check the flow rate from here. You can see this one is about like 30. So for the first stage pure water, the 30 means 30 liters per minute. So per hour is around like it's about 30. So it's around like 20,000 liters per hour, roughly, right? So that means these two membrane is for first stage. So after this first stage, the pure water will go through this pipe, and and the flow rate is about like 2,000 liters per hour. And then the pure water will flow into the first stage water tank. And then the second stage, this is the second stage high pressure pump, will pump the water from the first stage tank into the pump and then get into the second stage out membrane. And then you see from here, this is the second stage pure water, and you can check the float. It's about like 20 means 20 liters per hour, so per minute is around like 1,000 liters per hour. So that means you will get like 1,000 liters per hour second stage pure water. And then you see the second stage pure water will go through this pipe, and then here we got a UV lamper. We'll go through the UV lamper and then get into the second stage pure water tank. Okay, and then when you want to use the second stage pure water, here we got the pure water pump, and also the pure water pump connect with another UV lamper. So for this machine we have two UV lampers. One is here before the water get into the tank, and then when you want to use the water, when the water pump out, the water will go through this pipe again. Okay. Oh, here there is another small box here. For this box you can add some chemical liquid such like sodium hydrogen sulfate, put into this kind of small box. So this box is for add the chemical liquid to clean the active carbon, so that to protect the reverse osmosis membrane. So you can put the sodium hydrogen sulfate, or you can put some clean water, pure water into the tank, because for this tank they have a sensor. They have a sensor inside the tank. So if the tank is empty, the machine will stop working. So when you want to, if you don't need to add some chemical liquid, you just put the pure water into the tank, and you just stop this one. Here we have a button for this small pump. Stop it and put some water. Then the sensor will sense, okay, they'll have enough liquid, and then the machine will work. Okay. Okay, now we will check this button. This is for the pure water pump. When we turn on this button, and when the second stage pure water tank have enough water, then the pump will pump out the pure water. We will check. 你开一下这里. Okay, we turn on this pump. You see? Water out. Okay, stop it. 关掉吧. Yep, like that. But for this pump, when you first use this pump, if there are no water out, maybe you need to use a screw to lose the air inside the pump. Okay, like from here, lose it to release the air in the pump. Okay, thanks. That's all for this machine.